hypertension. So the person may have a perfection archetype, they might have a worrying archetype, or they might have a pressured archetype. So the best thing to do with hypertension is, once you've got the intake form for the client, is just start to notice threats, start to notice what is really stressing them out. When are they feeling tensed up? When are they feeling pressured? You know, hypertension will cause some kind of, it's an amplified tenseness, you know, and what is happening in their life. And usually it's external, it's not internal, external to their life. Many times they can have negativity that's not being released. And one of the things I do with people with hyper stress or hypertension or hypernegativity is known as the negativity release. Do it with me, Harini. I'm going to show it to you.
Because I suffer from my blood pressure from my pregnancy. Started from my pregnancy, it's still continuing. So I do various sets of therapies and healing myself, but still I'm on tablets. I couldn't come out, or I
recommend this because this is, so you're a very calm person. You're a very level-headed person. But sometimes what can happen is we are calm on the outside, we are level-headed on the outside. But on the inside, we're trying to be perfect. We're trying to do a good job. We want to make sure we're competent. It creates too much internal stress, but I'm not going to show anyone I'm stressed. I'm not going to tell anyone I'm stressed. So I do and say nothing, and it gets stored on the inside as hypertension. So I'm going to really recommend this to you. Everybody do it with me. 3, 2, 1. Put the hand here. You want to find under the collarbone, hand here. That's first step. Second step, make an R sound. Ah, but really loud, Harini. Like I want to, like really get it out. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Step 3, stamp the feet. Stamp the feet. So 3, 2, 1. As often as you remember, definitely 2 times a day.
Oh, wow.
That will help, because sometimes some people don't want to express what they're really feeling on the inside because they want to keep the peace and they want to keep the calm and they don't want to create conflict in the house. So they're fabulous facilitators. They make amazing corporate trainers because they facilitate the peace between the leaders and the team members, but they themselves are not expressing their emotions and how they're really feeling. And they're incredibly hard on themselves because they blame them for the problems that are going on the outside. So they need a system that they can use for themselves to really express what's going on, discover the root belief that they put in place, because there would be a vow or a promise in place where they put that in place that they said that I am not going to create conflict. Unlock that, be comfortable with conflict, your hypertension is going to vanish. I guarantee it to you, Harini.
Well, thank you. More love to you, dear. Thank you.
Beautiful to see you. Thank you so much for joining.